Need to create a JSON file but keep getting errors? Let's fix that, fast. First, open any text editor. Right-click on your desktop, hover over New and choose Text Document. Double-click it to open. Now, let's add some JSON data. For example, you might write something like a name, an age, and a status. You can copy a sample JSON structure or create your own. Just make sure the format is clean. Once you're done typing, click File, then Save As. This step matters. Unsaved. JSON doesn't exist. Choose where you want to store the file. Before saving, rename it and make sure to change row All Files, then hit Save. Now let's check if your JSON actually works. Open Google Chrome, search for JSON Validator, and open any trusted validator tool. I will choose this one. Click Choose File, find your JSON file and open it. Then click Validate JSON. If everything is written correctly, you'll see a valid confirmation. But if something is wrong, like a missing comma, an extra quote, or a bracket in the wrong place, the validator will show an error message and tell you exactly where your JSON is invalid. Fix the error, save the file again, and revalidate until it passes. And that's it. You now know how to create, save, validate, and fix errors in a JSON file like a pro. Subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.